This is Farming Smarter Live. You're with Farming Smarter Live with Mike Gretz.
Hey, how's it going, everybody? We're here on a beautiful sunny afternoon. We're finally out in the field after that kind of rain, snow all weekend. And behind me is Carlo and Kirsten. They're two students, part of our new initiative and program in partnership with the Lethbridge College. So this project here is an ARD grant between Farming Smarter and the Lethbridge College. That stands for Applied Research and Development. And what we're doing is the yellow contraption there on the 3-point hitch. That's a strip till machine. And so we're looking at applying a strip till concept, which is something that comes in from the Corn Belt in the States, and we're applying it to grain corn in southern Alberta. So for this year, we're going to have a dry land location here, and we're going to have an irrigated location across the street. And what they're doing right now is they're using that machine to create little narrow strips that get cultivated in the soil. So you can imagine with the push towards conservation tillage in the prairies here, water is a scarcity, and so it's a precious resource to conserve the water, especially in the dryland plots. And so what that strip till machine does is it cultivates the soil, but only in a narrow band where we're going to be seeding, and then it leaves the stubble standing in between each of those rows. And so that's going to help contain some of that moisture for us, especially in this dryland situation. So we've got a lot of different treatments under this trial. Right now we're doing a strip till, so we're going to have blocks that are strip till for this machine. We're going to have some where we do standard cultivation, and we're going to go in and cultivate all those plots, and then we're also going to have a no-till. And what we're going to do is we're going to take our different seeders and we're going to run those under each of these different systems, and we're going to see which turns out the best. So we're actually applying this to canola now, which is something that producers are starting to do with their planters. So we've got a precision planter, a monosem planter that we're using on 15-inch spacing, and then we've got our traditional air drill under 12-inch spacing that we're going to use. We've been using the pillar laser disc hole openers for quite a while, so we're going to stick with those. And then we're also going back to our hoe drill. A lot of hoe drills still out there under the cultivated and irrigated acres. So we've got a hoe drill, and we've got a couple different tips. We've got a narrow knife that's going to go in, and we've got a spreader tip that's going to spread the seed out. So we got lots of exciting things happening with this project. Looking forward to see what happens.
Awesome. This has been Farming Smarter Live.